In this video, I want to show you how to disable the screen turning off while you're recording with your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. This could be very frustrating, especially when you're filming something and then the screen goes dark. So how do you turn this feature off? Well, let me power on the camera, drag down from the top of the corner and then select the settings icon. Then go down. And one of the options will be screen SCRN off when rec. And by default, this is set to 1 minute. So after 1 minute, by default, the screen turned off, although the recording continues. If you go all the way down, you can set this to never. So the screen will never turn off while you're recording. And I guess many people want this. Obviously, the battery may drain more than usual since the screen will always be on, but this is something that, in my opinion, is worthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.